A Formula One steering wheel is not just a tool for turning. It is a compact control center designed to help a driver manage a car that is constantly changing with speed, temperature, fuel load, tire wear, and race strategy. The most visible feature is the cluster of buttons, rotary switches, and paddles. Each control has a specific purpose, and every second matters. The driver must be able to adjust settings without looking down for long. That is why the layout is built around memory, instinct, and repetition. At the center of the wheel, the driver usually grips the rim with both hands, while the thumbs rest near important controls. Paddle shifters behind the wheel are used to change gears. In modern Formula One, the gearbox is controlled electronically, so the driver can shift quickly without removing a hand from the wheel. Rotary dials are often used for bigger setup changes. These can control brake balance, differential settings, engine modes, or power delivery. Brake balance affects how much braking force goes to the front or rear tires. On a slippery track, a small adjustment can help the car stay stable. Differential settings influence how the rear wheels behave when the car turns. This matters when accelerating out of corners. Buttons may activate the radio, drink system, pit lane speed limiter, or overtake mode. The pit limiter keeps the car at the legal speed while entering the pit lane. Overtake mode, often linked to hybrid power systems, gives the driver extra electrical boost for passing or defending. The radio button connects the driver to engineers, who constantly provide information about tires, weather, gaps, and strategy. Another important feature is the clutch paddle, often used at the start of the race and during low-speed launches. The driver must release it with precise timing to avoid wheel spin or stalling. Some wheels also include controls for display menus that show lap time, tire data, fuel information, and warnings. The steering wheel itself is usually detachable. This makes it easier for the driver to enter and exit the cockpit, but it also means the car must be designed so the wheel locks back into place securely and instantly. Although it looks crowded, the wheel is organized with logic. The controls most needed in a crisis are positioned for the fastest access. Engineers and drivers work together to decide where each function should be placed, often testing and refining the setup until it feels natural. What makes the Formula One steering wheel remarkable is that it combines steering, communication, energy management, and performance control in one device. It is not only part of the car, it is the driver's interface with the entire machine.